Before you make a decision on VPN Unlimited, here are 12 things you need to know before buying. We'll compare it with other top competitors, so stick around till the end to make sure you're choosing the right VPN for your needs. First, let's talk about security. VPN Unlimited uses AES 256 encryption, which is top-notch and in line with industry standards. This makes it secure enough for most users, offering solid protection for your online activity. But if you're comparing it to others like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, you might find that they also offer additional features like double VPN or obfuscated servers that can add an extra layer of protection, especially if you're in high-risk regions. Next thing, VPN Unlimited supports a wide range of platforms. Whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, or even Linux, you're covered. It also works with browsers like Chrome and Firefox, making it a solid all-around choice. However, compared to some competitors like CyberGhost, which offers more specialized device support like routers and smart TVs, VPN Unlimited might be a bit limited in this area. The third thing to consider is speed. VPN Unlimited isn't the fastest VPN out there, but it performs well enough for most tasks like browsing, streaming, and even light gaming. If speed is your main concern, you might want to look at something like ExpressVPN or Surfshark, which are known for their faster servers. The fourth thing is the server network. VPN Unlimited has a decent server network with over 80 locations, but this is a bit smaller when compared to services like NordVPN or Surfshark, which offer hundreds of servers across the globe. A larger network could give you more reliable access to content and better speeds in certain regions. Fifth, customer support. VPN Unlimited offers 24/7 live chat, email support, and an extensive knowledge base. The support is responsive, but you might find that it's not as quick or detailed as the support offered by competitors like ExpressVPN, where live chat responses tend to be more immediate. Next, we have the pricing. VPN Unlimited offers flexible pricing plans with options for monthly, yearly, and even lifetime subscriptions. The monthly plan is on the pricier side, but you can save a lot with a longer commitment. When compared to some other VPNs, like Surfshark, which offers a more affordable monthly rate, VPN Unlimited can seem a bit high. However, it's still a good deal if you're looking for a lifetime subscription. The seventh thing to mention is their no logs policy. VPN Unlimited claims to have a no logs policy, which is essential for privacy-focused users. However, compared to competitors like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, which have been independently audited to confirm their no logs claims, VPN Unlimited hasn't been through such a thorough audit yet. The eighth thing to keep in mind is streaming. VPN Unlimited works well with many streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. However, it's not as reliable with some regional libraries as competitors like CyberGhost, which consistently bypasses geoblocks for streaming. Ninth, torrenting. VPN Unlimited supports torrenting, but its speeds aren't the best for heavy downloaders. If torrenting is a priority for you, services like PIA, Private Internet Access, or ExpressVPN might be a better choice, as they have optimized servers for faster torrenting speeds. The 10th thing is its kill switch. VPN Unlimited offers a kill switch, which is a must-have feature for users who want to ensure that their internet connection is dropped if the VPN connection fails. While it's a useful feature, it's worth noting that some competitors, like NordVPN, have a more refined kill switch that's available across all platforms, whereas VPN Unlimited's kill switch isn't available on every device. Next, let's talk about split tunneling. VPN Unlimited offers split tunneling on Windows and Android. This feature allows you to route some traffic through the VPN while leaving other traffic outside. While this is a great feature, VPNs like ExpressVPN and Surfshark have wider support for split tunneling, including more device options. The 12th thing is the free trial. VPN Unlimited offers a 7-day free trial for most of its plans, which is great if you want to test it before committing. That said, some competitors like CyberGhost offer longer free trials, and with NordVPN, you also get a 30-day money-back guarantee, which gives you more flexibility